Okay, she's drinking out of a cup.
Wait,
I'm sticking peppermint marshmallows in it. Wait, here's this.
Oh my god, please don't tell me I'm gonna be sick in the
Okay, ready?
morning.
Go.
She has to eat the marshmallow.
You have to.
What? It tastes nasty.
I don't care.
It tastes like water.
You gotta go. Do it.
She has to eat the marshmallow.
Her face.
Okay, you have to put more to eat the marshmallows. No, you take the marshmallows. No, I don't. She just said I had a drink.
Oh.
The tea.
The tea's still in there with the marshmallows. I said.
Was that with the marshmallows in the cup?
Yeah, when I said that, I meant the marshmallows in it too. Where'd it go? Oh, it's right there. Okay, well, that was her drinking marshmallow tea. Okay, well, see you next time. Bye.